Hey, Harvey, I want to hit on a question here, which I was going to jump right to this, and somebody, went right to it. There's somebody on YouTube that asked what your services are. Maybe we could throw that one up on the screen, really quick. Let me just put that one up there. So, yeah, they basically said, "What does Arcube do?" So let's go back to that and say how you can help somebody to do that. Yeah.
So say for example, you're an airline, a brand, a sports team, and you want to enter Web3. You've heard of an NFT, you've heard of crypto, blockchain, but you have no idea how to get into it. You don't know the best way, you don't know the best strategy, and you don't know the intricate details behind actually going from the stage where you think, oh, I want to launch an NFT collection, or I want to launch a crypto token or something like that. So Arcube really just does the full Web3 solution, where we do it from start to end, from design to the actual sale and the proceeds of funds, and we do complete Web3. We do it all, from the design of the artwork to the smart coding and the smart contract. So a few specifics in there that maybe people might not understand when it comes to it, but we do everything in Web3 essentially for a brand or a sports team who want to enter the industry.
Perfect. Very good. And, just in summary, we had some pre-conversations prior to this event, and I had asked, Simon this question and said, well, why would you have used someone in the outsourcing industry? And he said, well, number one, we may not have had the capacity, plus we needed some additional, expertise to interject into the process. And so I know that that's why people reach out and do, outsourcing, is because of that. And then I just want to hit on one more thing. I constantly have people asking me about security and say, how do we address security and risks in the industry? And I don't want to dig into that in depth right now, but I know that one of the reasons we go to people that are experts is because we want people that understand the technology, they understand the risks, they understand how to mitigate the risks, not only in implementation, but in hacking or in security in holders' wallets, and making certain that the entire strategy is based on one, which is understanding the industry and the risks and ensuring that the project is successful. And so I know that you guys have a lot of experience. And so for me, that's one of the biggest things that I look at is, what do they know? What have they done? What's in production? How well do they understand it? And how well can they help me to ensure a successful deployment? And once it's deployed, how do we ensure that the risks are mitigated? So I know those are all things that are really important. And I thank you for your contributions, in the industry to be able to do that.